Hey guys, I just got this new Deadpool like figurine bobblehead, I think. And let's unbox it. Here we go. I'm gonna have to set the phone down real quick. Here we go. Got it out of the package. I think it's really nice. Because I just saw Deadpool just a few days ago. So it kind of matches up because I just saw the movie. It's like, comes in this really nice packaging, I guess. You can get all these other ones too. I got that one. Here's the Deadpool figurine thingy. I really like it. Do you guys like it? Tell me down below in the comments. I don't really have a lot of good stuff to show you guys, but I might make a Just Cause 3 video and Infamous 2, GTA. Tell me guys what you want down below in the comments. I'll give it to you. Yeah. I like it. Has a red top. Has like this mini like gun. Has like this katana sword. Its belt shows like its head. It's a cool head. And I know something about the actor that did Deadpool. He took home the Deadpool suit. I like that he did that. It's really funny because like there is tons of Deadpool suits, but just kind of funny that he took home the Deadpool suit. It's like really nice. Shows Deadpool number 20. It's a pop Marvel character. I really like it. It's really cool. This little like thing doesn't flip up. Just the head, just the bottom of it. That's the spring. I really like the thing. And a few days ago, I went on a trip. And bye guys. Deadpool. And bye.